Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play 7 Wonders Armada. First, let's set up the game. You'll place the new Armada board beside your main city board. Each player starts with one Armada card in hand for each of the 3 ages. Remember to prepare the new island cards and the naval conflict tokens, placing them within easy reach for all players. This expansion integrates smoothly, adding exciting new layers to your strategic decisions right from the very first turn. The heart of Armada lies in naval combat and expeditions. At the end of each age, players resolve naval conflicts, comparing their red ship strength. Throughout the age, you'll play Armada cards to advance your ships along 4 distinct expedition tracks. Each track offers unique benefits, from gaining valuable gold and shields to securing immediate victory points, adding a dynamic new layer to your strategic choices. Armada introduces new card types that seamlessly integrate with the base game. Each Armada card features one of 4 ship colors: red, green, yellow, or blue. Red ships enhance your military, green ships contribute to science, and blue ships offer immediate victory points. Yellow ships provide commercial benefits. These cards allow you to advance your fleet, unlocking powerful new abilities and strategic pathways throughout the game. Finally, let's discuss how Armada impacts scoring and victory. Advancing your ships on the expedition tracks directly contributes to your final victory point total. Winning naval conflicts also provides substantial points at the end of each age. Additionally, exploring island cards can unlock further scoring opportunities. The player who skillfully navigates these new elements and accumulates the most victory points will claim victory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.